Serego Alighieri, Possessioni Bianco.
Possessioni Bianco, you can imagine a white wine from an area like Valpolicella, famous for the big reds like Amarone. But it's done in the century by a noble family like Serego Alighieri, always looking for the best for their own consumption. Garganega and Sauvignon are the two grapes that make this wine in one side very elegant and in another side very fresh and fruity. What do you think, Rafi, describing this wine?
Definitely. He has a very pleasant nose, buttery on one side and with the distinguished aroma of Sauvignon Blanc. On the palate, it's complex, of course refreshing, but not just a wine to be enjoyed during the summertime.
This is a great wine for any kind of simple type of food. Of course, fish, eggs, simple meat, but of course it's a great aperitif, and with appetizer is a perfect. It's a fresh and refreshing wine, but with a lot of elegance.